Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic way to bring multiple team members together for quick discussions, project updates, or collaborative work without needing to set up a formal meeting or channel. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams and looking at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several icons and options. From here, click on Chat. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations live, and it's the starting point for creating any new chat in Teams. Once you're in the chat section, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice a new message icon which typically looks like a pencil or a compose button. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a fresh chat window where you can start building your group conversation. Now, here's the key step that transforms this into a group chat rather than a simple one-on-one conversation. Look for the To field at the top of the new chat window. This is where you'll add your participants. Start typing the names of the people you want to include and make sure you enter more than one person. As you type, Teams will suggest contacts from your organization, making it easy to select the right people. Keep adding names until everyone you need is included in the To field. With your group members selected, it's time to get the conversation started. Click into the message field and type your first message. This could be a greeting, a question, or whatever you need to communicate to kick off the discussion. Once you hit send, your group chat is officially created and all the members you added will be notified. Now, if you want to give your group chat a more meaningful identity, you can easily rename it. Look at the top of the chat window where you'll see the list of participants' names. Right next to this, you should spot a pencil icon. Click on this pencil icon to edit the group name. A text field will appear where you can input your new group name. Choose something descriptive that reflects the purpose of the chat, like project updates or marketing team. Once you've typed in your preferred name, click Save to apply the changes. This makes it much easier to find and identify this specific group chat later on. And there you have it. You've successfully created a group chat in Microsoft Teams and customized it with a name that makes sense for your team. This streamlined approach keeps everyone connected and ensures important conversations don't get lost in lengthy email threads. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.